Tornadoes hit Mississippi, central Louisiana, 125 m in Midwest, Northeast in path of severe winds. A severe weather outbreak threatened the south-central U.S. as strong thunderstorms and multiple tornadoes hit the region Tuesday, while what AccuWeather called an atmospheric fire hose was forecast to hammer the West. Bracing for a week of wild, dangerous weather, the National Weather Service issued tornado watches in large swaths of the south-central, specifically in Louisiana and Mississippi, where the Weather Service warned of a particularly dangerous situation. Watches are in effect until early Wednesday. Parameters appear favorable for strong and long-track tornadoes this afternoon and early evening, the Weather Service said, emphasizing northeast Louisiana and central Mississippi. Residents in several towns across Louisiana and Mississippi took cover as tornado sirens blared late Tuesday, and forecasters warned of the threat of strong twisters capable of tracking long distances on the ground as a severe weather outbreak erupted in the Deep South. Multiple tornado warnings were issued starting Tuesday afternoon and continuing into the nighttime hours as heavy thunderstorms rolled from eastern Texas to Georgia and as far north as Indiana. The National Weather Service confirmed that tornadoes hit the ground in Mississippi on Tuesday evening, and Alabama was in the forecast path of the storms during the overnight hours. Local officials across the region gave early reports of structural damages after tornadoes made ground. The long-track tornadoes could produce wind gusts of up to 165 miles per hour. As a precaution, some Mississippi public school districts ended classes and activities early, and Mississippi State University in Starkville switched to online instruction. The combination of storms forecasters are predicting could fuel major travel disruptions, such as the temporary closing of runways at Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport on Tuesday afternoon because of snow and impaired visibility. 40 million people from Indiana and Illinois down to Texas were at risk for severe thunderstorms and possibly tornadoes on Tuesday alone, AccuWeather said. The National Weather Service warned that severe weather was likely Tuesday across a swath of the Mississippi Valley, Arkansas, Illinois, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, and Tennessee. The Weather Service's Indianapolis office warned on Twitter that damaging winds will be the primary threat, with lightning and isolated weak tornadoes also possible. The Chicago office cited the threat for assault gusts strong enough to down tree limbs,